Dear seedlings suffer because of the soil. Did you know that the seedling soil can be a key factor to how your plants perform the whole season? Would you like to learn our 4-generation family seedling mix recipe? Now, lots of people don't realize how important the seedling mix is to the success of their plants. And a lot of people just grab any soil out of their garden or any potting mix at the big box stores. These are both really big mistakes, and I've seen some really bad seedling mix that really turned my stomach, and I just knew from looking at the soil that the grower was going to fail at growing their seeds. And it would not be the fault of the seeds. You know, selecting the right soil to start your seeds in is critical to your success. And my parents had figured this out, and they grew really impressive plants. So the family secret soil has 6 special attributes that make this so special. So number 1, the ingredients. It was made from ingredients that don't harbor bacteria and fungus that could harm the seedlings. Number 2 is drainage. It held the proper amount of moisture for good growth, and it drained well so the seedlings had good airflow. Number 3 is easy to find ingredients. It was easy to get the ingredients, and it could be made on site. And we could have a consistent mix each time so we knew how the plants would grow in it. I mixed a lot of soil when I was young. It was the perfect blend for vegetables and flower seeds, and it was very economical. So number 4 is support. The soil mix would set up firm enough to support the plants so they would stand upright in the pot. Number 5, nutrient retaining material. It had enough humus to retain nutrients for the plants, also very important. Number 6, it was weed seed free. Because we made it fresh each time, it had no weed seeds in it. We've had the best luck with this family secret seedling mix. I grow all my starts in it, and we even use it for transplanting after we mix compost into it. And my grandparents, my parents, me, my kids have all used this with great success. So here is a simple but effective family secret seedling soil recipe. 3 parts peat moss. We only use peat moss, but you can experiment with the coconut coir. 1 part perlite and 1 part sand. You can use playground or washed sand, and then water. So we mix it in a cement mixer, or you can mix it in a 5-gallon bucket. For the cement mixer batch, we use 12 gallons of peat moss, 1 4-gallon bucket of perlite, 1 4-gallon bucket of sand, plus 2 gallons of water. And so we mix this, and then we can store it and use it anytime within the next 2 months. We usually will blow through ours in about a day. We measure everything by volume, not weight. So sand is way heavier than peat moss. Doesn't matter. You just fill the bucket full to the same level. Just use the different parts. Now for a small batch, I would use 3 gallons of peat moss, 1 gallon of perlite, 1 gallon of sand, and about a half a gallon of water. So if you just need a small batch, that's a great way to mix it up. So once the plants are transplanted out of the seedling soil, we'll save that soil, and then we just add some compost, and we can use it in the garden or for potting up other plants.